Candles are a powerful tool in witchcraft, often representing the element of fire and serving as a focal point for intention-setting rituals. White candle. White symbolizes purity and protection in witchcraft rituals. Use a white candle for spiritual cleansing and clarity. Yellow candle. Yellow symbolizes joy, creativity, and success. Burn a yellow candle to boost confidence and mental clarity. Orange candle. Orange symbolizes creativity, enthusiasm, and attraction. Light an orange candle to boost ambition, stimulate mental agility, and draw positive opportunities. Red candle. Red signifies passion, courage, and vitality in spellwork. Light a red candle to ignite love, strength, and desire. Green candle. Green embodies growth, abundance, and prosperity. Burn a green candle to attract wealth and opportunities into your life. Black candle. Black represents banishing negativity and protection. Light a black candle to absorb negative energy and promote transformation. Pink candle. Pink radiates love, harmony, and compassion. Use a pink candle for self-love rituals and to enhance relationships. Blue candle. Blue represents peace, communication, and intuition. Light a blue candle for calming energies and enhancing psychic abilities. Dark blue candle. Dark blue embodies wisdom, protection, and deep spiritual insight. Use a dark blue candle for meditation and connecting with the divine. Purple candle. Purple represents spirituality, psychic awareness, and transformation. Burn a purple candle for spiritual growth and higher consciousness.